Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a question from Alan in Dover, Delaware. Alan writes in, he says, is ladies' night in bars illegal discrimination? And, we were talking about this question in the office, and I have to tell you that it was not the most popular question when I bounced the question off of some of the folks. For example, my lovely assistant Alyssa said, this is a terrible question, but I like it. I think it's a great question. And I'm going to tell you what the answer is. Now, I'm assuming that you're going out to a bar in Delaware, and I'm assuming that when you say ladies' night, you're talking about, a bar that has, say, half-priced drinks or half-priced appetizers if you come in and you're a lady. And the purpose of ladies' night is to try and get people into the bar, and typically speaking, if you get ladies into the bar, men will follow. Men tend to follow ladies wherever they go. So, is ladies' night illegal discrimination? That's the question. In Delaware, we have a Delaware Equal Accommodations Law. It's at Title VI of the Delaware Code, Chapter 45. And I want to read a part of the law to you, and I apologize if this is boring because oftentimes reading the law can be boring, but it says at Section 4504, subsection A, no person being the owner, lessee, proprietor, manager, director, supervisor, etc., of any place of public accommodation shall directly or indirectly refuse, withhold from, or deny to any person on account of race, age, marital status, creed, color, sex, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, or national origin, any of the accommodation, facilities, advantages, or privileges thereof. So if there's a bar and the bar is running a special and it's 50% drinks or 50% off appetizers, but only for ladies, then I would say that under Section 4504, subsection A of the Delaware Equal Accommodations Law, that is discriminatory. So I guess the question is, what are you going to do about it? Alan, I think what you ought to do is, next time there's a ladies' night, you go to the bar and you say, I would like to have the same special that is being served to the ladies. And the bar will say, well, but you're not a lady. And just explain to them that you have researched the issue. Maybe you show them this video so that they understand that they have to offer you the same deal that they offer the ladies. Otherwise, it's discriminatory based upon your sex. And if they still don't offer you the 50% off the beer or 50% off the appetizers, then give me a call and I'll tell you how to go about asserting your rights. Now, this may practically not be such a great idea because, Alan, if you go to the bar on ladies' night, I'm presuming that you are going to follow the ladies because, as I said when we started the video, men tend to follow the ladies. And so what you would like is, you'd like to think that perhaps if you go to the bar following the ladies, when you leave the bar, a lady may follow you. And I can guarantee you that if you try to assert your rights under Section 4504, subsection A, if you read any part of Section 4504, subsection A at the bar, if you discuss this legal issue, it makes it very, very unlikely that any lady is going to follow you when you leave the bar. So as a practical matter, this is not legal advice, but as a practical matter, I would say this may not be a fight that you want to pick. Alan, thanks for asking the question. I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. If you have questions for me, send them to me. Go on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Schwartz and send us a message there or post in response to this video, post a comment and give us your question. You can also email me. I'm ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.